Introducing your baby to solid foods is an exciting milestone, and making homemade baby food can be a rewarding experience. Here's how you can easily prepare nutritious meals for your little one. Start by selecting fresh, organic produce whenever possible. Fruits and vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, apples, and peas are great choices for beginners. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Next, cook the produce until it's soft. Steaming is a fantastic method as it retains most of the nutrients. You can also boil or bake them depending on your preference. Once cooked, let them cool slightly before moving on to the next step. Puree the cooked produce using a blender or food processor. Add a little water, breast milk, or formula to achieve the desired consistency. For younger babies, a smoother texture is best, while older babies might enjoy a bit more texture. Store the pureed food in airtight containers or ice cube trays for easy portioning. Label them with the date and type of food. Homemade baby food can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 48 hours or frozen for up to 3 months. When introducing new foods, follow the 3-day rule. Offer the same food for 3 days to monitor any allergic reactions. This helps in identifying any sensitivities your baby might have. Remember, every baby is different. Some might take to solids immediately, while others need more time. Be patient and keep offering a variety of foods to encourage a balanced diet. Making homemade baby food is not only cost-effective, but also allows you to control the ingredients and ensure your baby is getting the best nutrition possible. Enjoy this special time with your baby as they explore new tastes and textures.